Hey, and welcome back to Dan the Flavor Guy. Today, we're going to show you how to make Pico de Gallo. First, we're going to start with 4 to 5 Roma tomatoes. If you already didn't know, Pico de Gallo is an authentic Mexican salsa, also known as salsa fresca. I'm not going to bore you by making you watch me chop all these tomatoes, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into the next step, which is chopping up our onions. Alright, here we have one large onion. We've already peeled the outer skin off. I'm just cutting the ends off. I'm only going to use about half of this. Half of this onion will give us 1 cup. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing. We're going to slice and dice, chop this thing up, and add it to the tomatoes. Here we have 1 4-inch long Serrano pepper. Depending on how hot you want it, use jalapeno, use whatever pepper you would like. But here, this is what we're using. We're also putting in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic or the stuff that's in the jar. Either way, it's up to you. I went with the easier version, which is pre-minced. Now we're just gonna chop this up. You want to get this chopped up as fine as you possibly can. I didn't seed it. I wanted the seeds for that extra spice. Here, chop it up. Go ahead and add it with everything else. We only have a few more ingredients to go. Here we have cilantro and lime. First, we're going to cut the lime in half, and we're just going to juice it right into the bowl. We're just going to go ahead and squeeze it by hand. Once we're done juicing the lime, here on the cutting board, we have roughly what is about 3 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. We're going to go ahead and we're going to chop that up, stems and all. Most of your flavor is in the stems. Not sure if you knew that one. Go ahead and chop this up as fine as you possibly can. Add it to the bowl, and we are almost done. Hang in there. We're almost at the end of the video. Last but not least, we're going to add about a tablespoon of salt here. Add as much as you want or as little as you want. Salt it to taste. That's it. We're done. Give it a good mix, and once you get it all mixed together, of course, you want to give it a taste test. I want to take a second to thank you for spending some of your busy day with me. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have anything else that you would add to this, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. I always love getting your guys' feedback because I like putting new twists on old recipes. Thank you, and have a nice day. Please subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button.